Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to set theme for your WordPress website. So if you want to know how I started with WordPress, how I installed it, how I downloaded, how I make it possible with XAMPP and Apache, I use PHP you can see my previous videos. So let's start with it. Now I will open them. I will start both of them. Okay, Apache and MySQL. I will minimize it and I will go to. Now I will go to my dashboard. Now I will write here localhost take learn, which is name of my website, and exactly my name of my folder, which is saved in htdocs for WordPress. Now I will write WordPress wp login.php. It will show me this login page. I will just say to remember me and then login. I will come to this login page, ignore this notification, and now you can choose your theme from appearance. Click on appearance and go to themes. Now there are three default themes which you can choose directly, which include 2020, 22 and 21. So the most used in these days are these website. So you can, if you don't want to choose all three of them and you want to have new themes, you can go to add new, choose popular, and now if you are making a blog page you can choose anyone. So let me choose this. You can see there are so many themes. So theme is the theme is the structure of your website, how you design it, how will be its overall look. So I will select this one and click on install. It will install in 1 to 2 minutes. We will wait for it. So it is installed in approximately 10 seconds. Now I will activate it. So click here on activate. It will be activated on your localhost and it will create a folder in your localhost WordPress site. So activate it. So now you can see it here with your default WordPress themes with 2020, 21 and 22. You can see blog site. So now you can customize it if you want. I will show you next step in my next video, so stay updated and you can like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query you can ask me in comment box and reach me. Goodbye, good luck, thank you.